the bartender, what you got left? Hold it up, don't stop there. Hold your cup, take a shot, yeah. All night we celebrate, we everywhere, and you not there. All we do is pour it up, all night, drink down. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds, yeah. All we do is pour it up, all night, drink down. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds.
Blue jeans, I'm faded, minding my own data, smoking on that strong, that Arnold Schwarzenegger. Essentially, you hot as an igloo. Kick back on that Glock, call that jujitsu. Hello world, I'm with a yellow girl, number 2 pencil. These rappers is washed up, 10 cycle, rinse you right. All day, all night, half pipe. I'm diving that bitch, so yeah, I belly flop, I jackknife and shoot. Tell my homies that I say it's a party. Yeah, got that tech for technical difficulties. I'm top dog, you top rhyming, I'm top dog. Pyru, gangsters, outlaws.
All we do is pour it up, all night, drink down. All night, all you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds. All we do is pour it up, all night, drink down. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds, strange clouds. Ain't no question, yes, B.O.B.S. definitely. Up in the studio, I got on my necessities. And they real, the right direction. I'm the greatest till I die. Yes, I rep that definitely. They say I'm a celebrity. What's a celebrity? I guess I must invest in the proper form of protection. And I say it's a curse, but it's mostly a blessing. Doing it from the hood, I aim for the top. I didn't even need no directions. I just wake up and then I roll up the perch. At least wake up on my dick. At least have some breakfast first. Keep your nerves strict first. And your mind on my lyrics, cause what you hoping to accomplish, I already did it. All we do is pour it up, all night, drink down. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds. All we do is pour it up, all night, drink down. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds.
Shawty wanna scream, money from the front, back side, and everything. Want it all the time, she a freak. So good, I see it in my dreams. She wanna arch your back when I hit it, when I do it, mama wanna allocate it. She said, hey, it's sad, put it down on me. I said, try to find it, run like a body, eyes down low, tell me get naughty, eyes down low, tell me get naughty, take it slow, put it down on me. I said, try to find it, run like a body, eyes down low, tell me get naughty, eyes down low, eyes down low. Yeah, we gon' get it on.
1075, number one for the day's hottest music. Man, it's a lot of bad in the building. Amen. A couple real in the building. Amen. I'm finna in the building. Amen. I tell her way to 50 bottles and she tell me say when and I say church. We make it light up like a church. She wants and I say church. You live on Sunday like a church. Drink until I overdose. Pull up in the fan and watch them catch the Holy Ghost. Every time I step up in the dealer, I be gone, bro. Johnny wants me, I say get on top and roll. Ghost and I lay back, she go crazy. Me good, but she no stay. Murder on that let her boyfriend get that DOA. Get it? And all I get is Frito-Lay. Plus I'm on probation when they test me as this P-Rose. Last night I went hard, pizza rock, Patron and all. 30 racks on Madam Bottles, I think I was born to ball. Looking like $1 million plus, fresh from out that corner store. Hey, that I be doing me, you guys should be doing y'all. I'm stacking money to the ceiling. All this ice in my rollie, I be chillin'. And I just made a couple million, so I can take care of them children. Bad in the building. Amen. A couple real in the building. Amen. I'm finna in the building. Amen. I tell her way to 50 bottles and she tell me say when and I say church. We make it light up like a church. She wants and I say church. You live on Sunday like a church. Just bought my some carrots. So much it came with a plane. Bought my some dope. So much it came with a boat. I just bought me a crib so big it came with a moat. Jump in the fence, I hope you float. And I just hope that I'm forgiven for caring about how they living and loaning a little money and keeping them out of prison. I ain't lying in my verses, I'm just telling you the basics of growing up with your friends and becoming the one that made it. Yes, Lord, all gold, man. I got these soul talking about these other rappers getting noticed, even getting no. Worry about your followers, you need to get your dollars up. Me and me, young, popping like our collars up, and good ain't good enough. And your hood ain't hood enough. Spend my whole life putting on, you spend your whole life putting up. Ain't no telling when I go, so they ain't that I'ma wait for. I'm the type to say a prayer and then go get what I just pray for. A lot of bad in the building. Amen. A couple real in the building. Amen. I'm finna in the building. Amen. I tell her way to 50 bottles and she tell me say when and I say church. We make it light up like a church. She wants and I say church. You live on Sunday like a church. Lord, forgive me for my sins. I'm just trying to win. Devil with that dress, but if she not got let her in. And if she not got let her in, open by 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock, you want to get her screaming, oh Lord. That good, I'm trying to hold on. I wish I could, you think I should? She got that $1 million body. Shorty my Bugatti, and she said she got a man. We keep a secret, Illuminati. It's a rock all in my bottle. She was on that reposado. And I think we're up to Rado, and it's spinning like I hit the lotto. Cause it's the lotto. Bad in the building. Amen. A couple real in the building. Amen. I'm finna in the building. Amen. I tell her way to 50 bottles and she tell me say when and I say church. We make it light up like a church. She wants and I say church. You live on Sunday like a church.
KS 107.5, Wiggins on the down, and DJ Disney throwing down the new music. Meek Mills, break, drop my amen. But you know what you care about. I know what you care about. It's free ticket summer. Backstage passes going down today. When are they going down? You want to go to KS Classic Meatbone Thugs? Make sure you listen. It's happening in less than 10 minutes.
Tell the DJ turn it up, let the DJ bring it back. Tell him play that shit again. Tell him that you like that. Oh, Trey, I ain't got but 2 reasons to be here, man. Okay, for the ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drink, for the